Sit. Come on, sit for the candy apple. That's not a sit. I said sit. Sit. No. Sit. Come on, sit. That's a good girl. Okay. You like candy apples? Oh my goodness. Okay. It fell off the stick. Good thing these floors are going to be easy to clean. You're getting caramel everywhere. What do you think? Perhaps we should have done this during the day. Outside. That's okay, I needed to wash the floor anyway. What do you think about candy apples? Careful on the floor. Lonnie, quiet. Was it good? Whoa. Whoa. I don't have any more. Get down. That's the stick. Back up. Okay, all right. Okay, stop.